Let's make a matching charcuterie and cutting board set. First, we mix that low part epoxy with some blue dye. Next comes the satisfying pour. It's important to remove any air bubbles, releasing the board from the form. Cured and ready for the next stages. Safety first. Splitting it down the middle, bringing out the thickness planer. Routing the perfect edges. Onto the sanding. Spreading the all-natural wood butter compound. Cutting board complete. Time to start the charcuterie board. First step, shape the board's handle. Next, we sand. Keep sanding. Almost done sanding. Adding our brand. Spreading some more of that magic touch. Ready for the kitchen.